Behind me is the boyhood home of John Glenn. He was born July 18th, 1921. Now, he was not born here, but he moved here to New Concord at the age of 2. His home has not always been here. It was moved here, but his father did build this home. Now, John Glenn was a distinguished and decorated fighter pilot in World War II, the Chinese Civil War, and the Korean War. On February 20th, 1962, John Glenn became the first American to enter orbit around the Earth. Now, he was the third American to enter space and also the fifth person overall to enter space. In September of 1974, he was elected to the U.S. Senate and served here as our Ohio Senator for 24 years. Now, some astronauts have reported seeing strange things in Earth. What could be declared aliens. Light coming up from the opposite side of the moon, flashes of light that should not be there. What looks like campfires on the moon. John Glenn did not see any of that, but he reported fireflies around the outside the capsule windows. And let me read you in his own words how he described them. There were literally thousands of tiny luminous objects that glowed in the black sky like fireflies. I was riding slowly through them, and the sensation was like walking backward through a pasture where someone has waved a wand and made all the fireflies stop right where they were and glow steadily. Now, NASA had no idea what that was. However, in subsequent space missions, they did find that it was probably ice, that it was falling off the capsules and light was hitting it and reflecting, and that's what he was seeing. John Glenn died on December 8th, 2016, at the age of 95. He was then honored with lying in repose at the Ohio State House on December 16th for 24 hours. After that, he was taken to the Ohio State University's Mershon Auditorium on December 17th for a public memorial service. He was buried at Arlington Cemetery with full military honors on April 16, 2017, which was his and Annie's 74th wedding anniversary.
Formation.